So, a lot of apps on your Android phone will rotate to landscape orientation without any issues. But for some reason, the home screen and lock screen are fixed and they don't move. Not unless you change this behavior manually. Let's go to the quick settings first. Swipe down from the top right corner to open your quick settings, and then you'll look for the auto rotate button. Tapping it will turn auto rotate on and off. But if you tap and hold the button, you're going to see some additional options that are hidden by default. Here I can set my home screen, lock screen, and the voice call screen to rotate. Just toggle on the ones you'd like to include, and then tap Done. I'll just enable all of them, and now when I go back to my home screen, my phone will rotate the home screen just like it would on a larger tablet. Enabling this for the home screen will also make your app drawer rotate to landscape mode, so you're kind of getting the full tablet experience, so to speak. Same thing for the lock screen. Landscape looks great, and swiping up and pin code buttons are all aligned in this new orientation. Make sure to click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.